baby. Do you see that? Closure where? And it's a closure. Hey you, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate you. Boo-boo. So today, robe. Okay, I got the little robe on. Robe, one of those. I'm thinking I'm going to be making like Wednesday wigs, like wigs on Wednesdays. Call it Wednesday wigs with Sylvie. I don't know, but yeah, I'm thinking, because you guys, due to the fact that we are now at 1K plus, Vallbest has been reaching out. So I don't know, I feel like I want to make a segment every Wednesday, so we post twice a week now, not just once but 2 times. So the regular Tuesday or wherever, and then Wednesdays become wig Wednesdays. So if I have a wig or a hair video or whatever, I just post it on Wednesdays and call it wig Wednesdays. Anyways, yeah, so this is kind of like the follow-up on the video that I did on AliExpress. This is the hair that I purchased. Well, if you're interested to find out about this hair, just click on the video in this eye icon and then you'll know more, okay? But so far what I've done is I have I think I'm going to like kill my ears. Oh child, I pressed this thing real hard. But what I've done so far is just laid the edges, lay the hair down. I haven't done no edges or anything like that. This is 24, 2 bundles of 24 and 2 bundles of 20. Well, 2 bundles of 24, 120 and 122. One of the bundles I already had, and I decided to add it to it. Everything is going to be listed down in the description as well, in terms of like the price, the vendor, but I highly recommend you guys watching the other video, because it would definitely give you guys an insight on like what's happening with this one. Okay, so I purchased this hair from AliExpress. I know. And because I said I was going to do another one, like another video, this is the video that I'm doing. Okay, so if this is your first time, welcome again. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yes, just stay in here for the juiciness of it all. This is gonna be a very, very short video because I am literally just reviewing the hair and then calling it a day. I already did everything. I already did the unit. If you are like, oh, how did you do your hair? Like, I have a lot of videos on those, so please browse the catalog on the channel. You would definitely see very detailed videos on like how to create the units and like plucking and all of that beautiful jazz. Obviously I feel like I need to update a video on that, because you see how this one is fully like 99. That's the one bundle that I already had, so I mixed it in. And I would definitely say be very, very cautious with AliExpress, because things are changing and I just feel like it's not the same. Things are not the same no more, and I've been shopping on AliExpress for a long time. The bundle sizes are not the same. The bundle length it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Like, there's a lot of things changing in AliExpress currently that I don't know if I would be purchasing on AliExpress moving forward. I mentioned that already in my previous videos. I mentioned the reason why, so please make sure to click on that and know exactly why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling. Trust and believe there are valid reasons, okay? I have all rights to feel the way I'm feeling. And I feel like customer service too with AliExpress is just going down the drain. So I don't know. So I'm going to finish taking this off, and then I'll just lay the hair well with this hot comb right here, and then I'll come back for the finale. And voila, this is the finished look. I really like the hair. I like how the curls came out. I feel like when I brush it out, it's gonna look so much better. But for now, it's cute and I like it. The hair in itself, it's not true to length. I'm just gonna be honest. If you watch my other AliExpress video, this one, you would see why I'm saying all these things. It has all of the the receipts, the juice, and all that beautiful jazz in that video. But I do like the hair. It doesn't shed, and it so far the curls look good for it to be colored, so I'm not mad at it. The price was amazing as well, so save your money, sis, save your money. But yeah, I do like the hair. I use powder to contour, not contour, but to highlight more after bleaching and all that beautiful jazz, because sometimes bleaching is not enough. So I use that powder to add some new natural looking line. You see that? Baby, do you see that? Closure where? And it's a closure, it's not a frontal, it's a closure. Gets to it. I know, gets to it. If you want more details on how I actually created a unit and all my tips, I have tons of videos. Please make sure to check those ones out as well. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, baby, what is you waiting for? What is you waiting for? Please make sure to hit that little subscribe button and click the bell right next to it as well, so you get videos and alerts. So you get alerts of every time I upload videos. This is the time for me to say peace out and have a beautiful day.